Hello guys, welcome to new video. One of my viewers asked me, can you please make a video that how to put text or logo on a moving sports car or girl or boy in Filmora? Yes, I can. In this video, I am going to show you how to use motion tracking in Filmora X. So let's start the video. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for this type of cool tutorial. So open Filmora and import your file. I already import my file. Drag your video into timeline. Delete extra part of video. We will need motion tracking features to create this effect, so you must use Filmora X to use motion tracking features. So double click on video and you can see here is motion tracking. Activate motion tracking and you can see here is a tracking box appear here. Then select and adjust the tracking box on the object that you want to track. Then click Start Tracking. So as you can see, Filmora automatically track the motion of the object. Then go text and add default text. Adjust with video. Double click on this and customize your text as you like. After that, set text position where you want. Then click OK. Now double click on video. Then go drop down and select default text. This default text is the default text of the timeline. You can see the text is linked to the video. Let's take preview. Let's add any elements or logo. Add new video into timeline. Like previous, track object motion. Double click on this and enable motion tracking. Select box position and start tracking. Then click OK. Then add your element into timeline. For tutorial purpose, I choose this. Then double click on elements and adjust element position. Delete extra part of this. Now double click on video and select elements from drop down. Now let's take preview. So as you can see, it's not adjusted perfectly. So again adjust it and check preview. Okay, now that's perfect. Okay, now let's try multi-motion tracking like this. Add new video into timeline. Since there are two objects here, we have to do motion tracking twice. Like previous, do motion tracking first time. Now add text into third track. Add a text to the track above, leaving a track blank. Now customize your text as you like. Adjust text position and select text from the drop down. As you can see, our first tracking is done. Let's add motion for second time. For this, add same video in middle empty track. Like previous, track object motion, but this time adjust tracking box to the second object that you want to track. And start tracking. Then add text for the second time in upper track. Edit text and adjust position. Then select second video and select text from the drop down. And you're done. So as you can see, our effect is done. So let's export it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.